All right, guys, for your next salad, this should be it. This is very simple. It comes with a plastic bowl, internal. You can use this as a strainer too. It doesn't have to be completely used for this feature too, but you can use this feature as a strainer too. But if you guys can see, it's gonna spin pretty much everywhere and mix up your salad, all right? That's what we wanna do on this system. So you lock it in place, all right? The way it works, you lock it in place. And there's a button here, releasing button, if you guys can see that. Locking. And then all you got to do is spin it. And when you spin it, the whole entire wheel on the bottom turns, if you guys can see it. And it's locked in place, so it's not going to fall easily unless you open it up this way. And that's pretty much it, right? Just when you're locking it, it has to lock in place, all right? And then spin it. Use your force. It's gonna, this would even dry up your salad if it's pretty wet. You could put the lettuce by itself, and if you want to dry it faster, spin it. All the water is gonna drip to the side. You don't have to worry about anything. So, yeah.
Embeds it, and the Tupperware lady takes her idea and doesn't pay her for it.
That's once we dry it up.
These carrots, the orange or the carrots, man.